With the fast development of AI, I'm decided to doing some AI related stuff and coding or project in this new 2025. Here is the first one. I will using bot AI. Inspired by a YouTuber, Royo. So here, what she does using bot AI in one afternoon hours, created a very useful web app. I will just follow what she did as a learning curve and do a quick test for this. Do a breeze app and try the step one will be create high level documentation for the developer. Very picture. This image. I paste this image. I say, can you see the text in the pic? And please turn that to text. Now it turned that to text for me. That will be my application spec. I will copy paste this to my bot AI. My bot AI will be the interface here. Bot AI, new. Go to botnew.com. Then what do you want to build? He asking. So I will paste the description for this app here. Let's see. Okay, now if I press enter, let's see what it will do. The bot new first try. Go. Continue with the stack bleeds. The bot you must log in existing account. Hey. To use bot you must agree and sign up. So the first time use I have to sign up. Continue with GitHub. I will continue with my GitHub account. If you don't have, you maybe need to create one. So that's I will sign in. Okay, the password saved. Sign in account. Okay, verify. Sign account. Verify code. GitHub. Sign in. Authorize stack reads. Okay, I authorized. Now let's see. It start working. Create app over me. Start work. I will help you to create. It's generating the code very fast. Look, that's TSX file. Looks it's a really web page based client side code. Source code file format, and left side it's trying to run npm install. It's creating this index page like the main page, TS file like JavaScript file, new generation. So fast! Wow, you see? Journal, exercise, component, clean, professional design. It's done. It says preview. But it has some grammar errors or whatever. I expect a token, expect a comma in this line. Exercises.tsx. Okay, it has some error message. If you don't know this JavaScript language grammar, no worries. Let's try to let GPT to fix it, right? At the home page, let's see it has a URL link. If I click, let's see. It doesn't open this file for me. I don't know where the source code is so far, but it looks it's already did a bunch of work. So far, so good. Let me So it mentioned in the exercises.ts file, the TypeScript file, line 23. I go to line 23. This line. It has a expected comma grammar error. So basically, what I can do, I can try to let the bot to fix, but I can also try to let GPT to fix first. I will copy this part of the code to my GPT to see if it can fix for me. Copy this. How can I go back? Probably this is back, but too bad. It's out. Okay, it's here again. So where is my install description? It's wrong again. Actually it's Node. It's Node. How can I say? Node backend is running. Okay, npm, nvm, yeah, npm rundown. If normally, as a developer, I normally install those Node, Java Node server in my local and run everything locally. But now it looks like everything was hosted on this bot.new server, so I save a lot of steps. I just directly jump into the code development under big help of bot AI. So it go back to this page again. What I do, I will probably I will try GPT first, even he didn't say the whole for the right. I will let my GPT to fix how to fix error for this code. Your code define an array of, or it can explain the code for me. It define an array of exercises, looks mostly fine, but there's some common TypeScript related issue you might encounter. How to fix? Oh, ensures exercise interface is defined, then blah blah. I already know it's defined because I just pasted partial code here. Missing semicolon. Verify error usage. Note, if you are using framework React Angular, you make sure exercise interface probably imported using that. That's blah blah. I know that. Common error fix. Okay, so exercise not defined in. So he mentioned here in. Let's see, it's comma. It's the same. It's not that very obvious, but at least ensure not missing semicolon in incorrect bracket. Semicolon. Semicolon here. Semicolon here. I'm not very familiar with TypeScript language. So it's probably easier for me just to paste. Okay, I will paste this. Expecting this. Got error. Preview code. Where is the prompt, like message? How can I help you today? Here has a chat message here. People will load the country. If it's a city or not. I don't know. Let's see. Where is my history? Mindful. Do know new entry feeding. Start. And has a lot of button. Guidance practice. Mindful. But this button still doesn't work. Looks like as long as you give him the message, it's already fixed by itself, and it's It started running the new app. The GUI was displayed in front of me. Even some buttons are still not being hooked. And a journal title. First line. Looks like the just use the summary. It's generated. What both generated to me is so raw. It doesn't give me all the feature I want. So I will use that's how it generated for me. It's so simple. I like to use based on the steps, right? Based on the steps, we need to really do another one to a full app. I already have framework. Then I will generate a description, like a developer manual, let GPT to do it. So let me copy this link to copy this link. Side by side, this one. Copy this link and paste to my ChatGPT. GPT now help me to generate a developer's documentation. Okay, let me do this. This link with mobile to ChatGPT, asking if he can help me to generate documentation. Development documents. Breeze like mobile paywall app. Okay, did I give introduction, project overview, architecture design, front and back end, database schema, key feature implementation, paywall UI design, subscription plans, payment, gateway integration, to get the benefit from the app, A/B testing, analyze endpoints, login, plans, checkout, report, authentication, and security, development guide, front end, back end use the AWS, front end use App Store, Google Play, and continue integration, GitHub. Test plan, use Jest, get X test. Oh, very cool. Future enhancement, multi-language support, blah blah, reference resource. Okay, so looks it's not as detailed as the video shows. Let me see.
相当于专门写给开发者看的说明。
I knew I was underwater. I just didn't realize I was this underwater.
I will use this prompt, ask GPT to give me more detailed description for core features. Okay. First, core features: paywall design, customize key capacity, technical implementation example, subscription key capability, auto renew, grace period support, payment gateway integration, analyze on test flow stacks, verify, descriptions, technical implementation, user authentication, access control, technical alert 7, offline access. Example scenario. This detailed description covers essential functionality, technical consideration, and the real-world scenario for each core feature. Let's know if you have. Okay, cool. I will do one by one steps based on the 7 part of this whole design. Description, key capacity, design UI first, customer layout, customize layout, multivariate test, animation element. Okay. Let's do the first part. I want to ask GPT to give me more detailed description for the core features, because at the beginning I asked for the development doc. It gave me this. It's too high level, right? It's called a mobile developer doc. It has this thing, but I still need more detailed information to help bot to write the code. So I'm asking, give me more detailed description for the core feature to GPT. Let's see how it goes. Let me see. Certainly, here it is. How it works, people component, display, I write code. Also, I don't need the code actually. Payment processing, payment flow. User subscription management, subscription status tracker. Content access control, push notification alert, payment documentation, analyze reporting, extension customization. It's still not as perfect as the video showed, but let me see. Node tracking part I have. Form, what's it says? Split node tracker into smaller. I like to do a similar thing to like the video said. It didn't give me this more detailed in my function with making the code more maintainable. Let's see. It didn't give me all this part. Probably okay, content access control. User subscription management. Let me do evaluate payment process. Looks it's quite quite already very full. So payment display, payment CPT, configuration, PayPal UI, location contents, customize, payment process. Let me type this to both to see how it goes. Okay, please. Below, probably need to remove the code because I think all the code better than the GPT. Let's see how it goes. It start working. Payment feature implementation. Yeah, that's very important. It created a paywall script file and a paywall model file. And it also created a payment method, subscription plan, blah blah. Creating user paywall script, configuration file. Okay, here you are. Implemented. It's done. Payment method. Wow. Would you like to add a specific feature or make any adjustment? He's asking other things. Wow. Test. 谦虚啊。Let me try to see what it added. Practice. Where is the payment? I don't see. Where is the payment? No new entries. Where is the payment? I don't see. Like to do any specific, make any adjustment. I don't see any. I don't see any payment added. I'm asking where is the payment UI. I didn't see anywhere. I like to add. Oh, he tried to add payment UI because it's probably already back-ended, but it's not in the UI interface. Because we do have all those files, but we don't have UI. Yeah, cool. It's trying to add a UI for payment form for me. Very, very friendly and talkable bot. It's really good at coding assistant. So, save entry, I still don't see journal new entries. For example, probably new entry like a IP save entry. So where is the log? Let me use this way because I don't know if my entry was added. Okay, it's trying to add another part. Feedback system, adding save feedback. Oh, toast, user toast. Another bunch of script file has been added in. Wow, so smart and efficient. Use more test tool, component maker, update mode tracker. Okay, for example, let me test. I'll save entry. I saw something. It has a message box at the bottom. Let's see. Nine play ball. You see, test. Entry 1, save entry. My message box is showed. Great. And other part is still waiting for me to is in to-do list. I will continue in the next session. And also this thing, I think it also worked. It's just I don't have log and history show up yet. I will complete that tomorrow. Very interesting and powerful bot. I love it. Yeah. So, for example, to show it worked for any of the browser, I am using Edge to test. It's in Chrome, it worked. In the Edge, I will see if that's also worked. I paste my deployed URL. I paste my deployed URL to Edge. That's Edge, right? doesn't agree. Let's grab this U tab, H. Why is H? So it doesn't fit in my this script. Okay, that's my edge, right? If I paste my API in the edge, in the edge window, yeah, it also worked. Yeah, let's agree with it. Save entry. Select this. Save entry. I found that the message box probably didn't show. Probably it's in another partner. Okay. Looks like it didn't show my message box. Yeah, so it has some small, tiny, whatever difference between browsers, but main feature is in it. Yeah, so it's better to test it fully with all different browsers and on different platforms. I will run those test cases when it's fully done in different browsers. Here's the summary. So the full process only took me 1 hour. I got a very small web app to play with, and the thing is, if I do that by myself, I have to set up Node API and Node server and install Node and JavaScript development environment in my local PC. The whole process takes very long, and sometimes it's very hard for the new beginner to have to start. So based on this bolt.new, bolt AI can do every duplicated or redundant chores for you. You just focus on your new idea, new initiative mind, and directly all the other technical detail-oriented part he will do for you. So I love this bolt AI a lot. I think ChatGPT plus bolt AI can really replace like 80%, I can say, task for the designer. Yeah, I'm very excited. I will go and do a series for this kind of topic. Thank you. Hope you love it.